Hey friends, it's Kivia. Welcome back, or welcome if this is your first time here. In today's video, I'm going to be focusing on taking down all of my Christmas decorations.
Are you the same? Are you the same? I'm an old school man. I only wanna fall in love once with an old school girl.
When you're seeing this, everything is actually already down. I started taking stuff down on Christmas Day and I finished on the 27th. And when I tell you I was exhausted, my birthday was December 28th and I slept all day. I was extremely exhausted from hosting and just trying to get everything down because that's what I like to do prior to the new year. So let me know, are you one to keep all of your decorations up after the new year, or you like to go into the new year with a clean slate?
Oh, you miss my touching, you do. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no, it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, nah, nah, nah. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no, it's no more, no. We're done now, no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more, no, no. We're done now, no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no, it's no more, no. We're done now, no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more, no, no. We're done now, no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more, no, no. Yeah. Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good. I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broke mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space.
What happened in here?
We was robbed!
Oh my God! What'd they take?
I thought it was funny to add this clip in here because after taking down all of my Christmas decor, it was really given we got robbed. The house just looked so bare, and this is something that I go through every year. After a couple days, it's all back to normal though.
Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a good, put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home.
Don't mind me. I'm just sitting back admiring my office like, yeah, girl, you did that. I am definitely loving this green. Is given, let's get this money, because that is my mindset all 2023. I really want to focus on my channel and just making sure I advance in my career. Interior design has definitely always been a passion of mine. I did mention that I went to school for it, and it's just a love that I don't think I'll ever give up. But I don't feel that I have given it 100%, and that is definitely a goal of mine this year, to really go all in with it and still give myself some grace. All right, my friends, that is it for today's video. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with a friend. And until next time, my friends, take care and Happy New Year to you and yours.